So yes guys, welcome back dito sa aking channel. So pag-usapan lang natin yung ating prediction for upcoming visa bulletin for month of March 2026. Bali ito yung 6 months for fiscal year 2026. Bali ito yung prediction natin dito sa EB3 Third Preference Employment Category. So ano naman kaya ang dala ng final action date nitong March 2026. But first, before we will proceed, so I would like to congratulate those priority date na nag-current na nitong February 2026. Talagang napakaganda yung movement niya. So nag-move forward nga siya ng more than 1 month. So in total 40 days yung minove niya. So bali yun na nga, sana magtuloy-tuloy itong movement na ito. So sana ngayong March 2026, for me, I hope na mag-move forward pa rin ito. So sa ngayon maraming ang issue tungkol dito sa mga processing ng green card application to US. So recently lang merong news tungkol dyan, yung 75 countries temporary on hold yung kanilang process ng visa, green card visa papunta sa US. So bali yung 75 countries na yon, which is covered yung employment-based preference at saka yung family-sponsored preference. So bali ito yung 75 countries affected by the visa suspension. So ito nga alphabetical. So start nga yan ng Afghanistan. So even Brazil, dito naman sa Egypt, then Russia, doon sa African countries. So ito nga yung Sudan, Senegal, then dito sa Thailand, Uruguay, and lastly is yung Yemen. So ito yung listed countries na affected dun sa visa application process. So as of now, we are lucky enough that we are not included in that list. So dun sa 75, hindi kasama yung Philippines. So still we can proceed to our application with regards to employment-based preference. Ito nga yung EB3, tsaka yung other workers, at saka yung family-sponsored preference. So bali dun sa 75 countries na yon, yung tourist visa na B1, B2, at saka yung student visa, at saka yung H1B visa ay hindi affected. So again, muli yung affected lang doon sa 75 countries is yung employment-based preference at saka yung family-sponsored preference. The rest, yung student visa, tourist visa, at saka H1B ay hindi kasama doon sa pag-stop ng process ng mga application. So next issue nga dito na ating pag-uusapan, so this month lang din, so merong nurses protest doon sa New York City. So part doon sa protest nila is understaffed nga, no? So hopefully in the whole state of United States na mapansin nga ito na hindi lang naman actually sa New York City ang understaffed na mga hospitals.
New York City tonight, the largest nurses' strike in this city's history. Tonight, the new mayor, Zohran Mamdani, speaking out on behalf of the nurses and what they're demanding. Here's ABC's Rhiannon Alley.
Tonight, the largest nursing strike in New York City's history. Nearly 15,000 nurses walking off the job and onto the picket line. The union striking three leading hospital systems, Montefiore, Mount Sinai, and New York Presbyterian, demanding higher pay and benefits, increased staffing, and more security after...
Yun nga, sana mapansin ito ng government to increase, napabilisin palalo yung mga process nitong employment-based preference at taasan pa yung mga release ng priority date ngayong parating na March 2026 sa visa bulletin. So yan lang yung mga issue na pinag-uusapan natin ngayon, yung nakapending na 75 countries, tsaka yung demand to increase staff nurses sa hospital, na sana hindi lang sa New York, sana mapansin ito ng US government na pabilisin pa yung hiring process nitong employment-based preference, especially EB3 third preference category. So kung sa opinion ko lang, siguro sana magkaroon ng magandang final action date movement. Hopefully at least kahit man lang 15 days, yan na yung pinaka-conservative na assessment ko, or sana at least 1 month or more. So mas maganda na yung 1 month or more, pero I believe this coming March 2026 magmo-move forward pa yan. Gawa nga nung yung iba sa other countries hindi makaka-move forward. So hopefully mag-step up yung mga other countries, kasama na nga yung Philippines. Sana maganda yung mga priority date. So abangan na lang natin, ilang araw na lang ipapublish na yan sa website. So doon natin malalaman yung talagang ano ba talaga ang magiging final action date or priority date nitong March 2026 Visa Bulletin. So yan lang yung update natin ngayon guys. So maraming salamat sa panonood dito sa aking channel. Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe. Hit the button below para updated ka for the next video. See you next time. Bye-bye!